You've got to get a hold of yourself.
The S1K was pointing to something? I think we should go hunt him down. Alright, hunt for the S1K is on. Down the S1K on Kitty's Jigsaw. Will I catch it before the top of the hill? S1K did pass this car. To get the MaxWrist.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
You all right, bro? You all right?
Good day to meet you.
Oh,
This is.
let's get the bike up.
Fuck, man.
You, oh, probably didn't do nothing.
Oh, me and MaxWrist.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Fuck, man.
What's your name?
Urge.
Urge.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Beautiful bike, man.
Thanks, man. Fuck. Can't believe that.
You were in these rocks, right? Yeah. He was turning around here, hit the,
Oh, man.
hit it. We're about to go back up top. You want? I mean, I'm sure it's still running. You want to go up there with us?
For sure.
Yeah, let's go. I mean, it. He just dropped it. Smart man. Only thing he hit was the engine case.
Yeah, that's it, you can. Now all you need is a carbon fiber cover for this.
I can only hear Kitty.
You're good.
There you go. It's an upgrade. A reason to upgrade. I don't think I caught it. I heard you fall and I was like, what? At least he got a max pass. I know. Me too. For the max pass.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
The 360 just moved. The support saved it.
What?
I know, dude. They came. This one came up snap when I first took off. I know. That's the second time.
You'll be so proud of me because I got it too. Wow, how was that ride?
All right, well, that was fun. I'm getting to like your bike better and better, Kitty. All right, did the 360 stay on? It did!
It was on?
It's still recording.
Nice. Oh, that.
Crappy SD card is the answer. Congratulations. Well done, Kitty. Found the one SD card that keeps recording. So that's a lesson for all you Insta360ers. Use the crappy card. Huh? I didn't see this one either. What happened?
Goodbye.
Good, nice to meet you guys. I couldn't believe it when I saw you running up the mountain. I was like, oh shit, it's him.
Yeah. I turned around and came after you too. But you get a 5-pack for that stunt. Here you go, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man.
I watch all you guys all the time.
Sweet.
Like vest on and everything.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
The vest didn't go off, did it?
What was that?
The vest didn't go off, did it? It did? Oh, new canister. Well, at least, you know, you got no injuries. Of course, it was low speed, but cool.
Got started for a second.
You're from California here?
What was that?
You're from, where at?
I'm from the valley.
Oh, the Valley, cool. You just decided to come up today?
Yeah.
You just got that?
For a month now, yeah.
You got a new Century?
What was that?
Or new Century BMW?
In Burbank?
Oh, Burbank BMW. Okay.
Yeah.
Switching teams, I don't know what that's about. All right. You could have asked me. I could have got you a better deal at New Century.
Oh, man.
Yeah, messing up. Oh, the Bad Kitty sticker and keychain. Wow, Bad Kitty going above and beyond.
Make the day, turn the day around.
That's next. You're gonna be the star of the show.
Oh, man.
I think I got you with a max pass the first time. The second time we dropped it. It lost power, right? Your gear is a little bit shorter
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
than the Beamers.
But that's because I have a taller
Oh,
waist
yeah.
to get the smaller rear sprocket.
Yeah, because the gear is a little shorter.
Are you doing a video on the Gigi 1000?
Yeah.
Yeah. Today's first ride, 2020 Gixxer 1000, and I've come up with my number.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, 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 dun. All right, it is a very capable super bike. It has plenty of power. It feels really good in the turns. Very well planted. I do like.
The announcers were correct on that.
Yeah, I do like how it feels in the turns. It feels great. It feels like my old Fireblade in the turns, where the bars are in a little bit. It's a little smaller, so it fits me good, and I just fit in the turns good. Things I do not like: the choppy throttle. It's so choppy. Soon as you hit it, it barks and goes it shoots forward. So a sprocket change would help that as well. And how long the throttle takes to engage, because you're in the turn and you're like, all right, I'm gonna give it a little bit, and you're like, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? And then it's so. That's my pretty much only complaint. It wheelies perfectly. It stops really well. Its weight feels about like everything else's weight does, and so for the choppy throttle and the delay throttle response, which are easy fixes, I'm gonna give it an 8.
Damn.
Yeah, it's a solid bike, and it's fast. I think anybody would have trouble keeping up with me on this bike.
Jessica gets a solid 8.
What's the S1K?
Oh, the S1K is 10. 10 out of 10. It is, I'm telling you, the S1K, when you start rolling on the throttle, it's immediate. And I think it gives some kind of, like, resistance, like only a certain percentage of throttle instead of all or nothing, you know? It's like, it eases into it so nicely, but not to where it's not so bad to where you can't like wheelie. Like if you, as soon as you get it, it comes up the wheelie too. So you know, did you get yours? Have you?
Still got that dead spot in there. Oh, yeah,
It's bad.
pretty apparent.
It is. It's very bad for it. It's a wheelie killer. You got to do your wheelies in first gear,
Yeah.
which sucks. But yeah, order the Brent Tuning handheld and it's gone.
Yeah, I'm looking into that. That's the next project.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when
Well,
when he actually releases the corn.
yeah, the E85 map. That's what I had on there. And man, the thing is an animal.
And that's great. I remember because we ran like a week before, and then we went back, and then you got that alcohol tune on it. No, we did pulls,
Yeah.
and then you put the alcohol on it.
And it's like
10%.
game changer. So yeah,
Definitely look
that bike can kill the game for sure. I mean, it does stock anyways, but the flat spot's annoying. Very annoying.
when you're getting your bike back.
They're talking about it being totaled now. I know, man. Sad state of affairs. And then they're just taking forever to do it.
Peace to you two.
Please.
Peace to him.